So this morning, temporary protected status for Haitians, it is officially over. Yes, a federal judge has lifted her order that blocked that deportation protection from ending. Now, the decision became final yesterday afternoon after weeks of warnings that it would end.
CBS News Miami's Morgan Rynor is your reporter joining us live this morning from Miami International Airport, where, Morgan, there's a flight that's actually taken off to Haiti this morning.
Yeah, that flight is probably boarding right this minute. It takes off in just 30 minutes. And we've been talking to people here as they were checking in for that flight. We also spoke to a gate agent. So we're hearing so many different stories. That gate agent told us that she checked in a mother and her 3 kids. She says that she couldn't provide for her family anymore because of the end of TPS, and that her 3 kids don't speak any Creole. It's going to be a very hard transition for them. I spoke to several teachers here who said that they're expecting their classrooms not to have as many kids, as parents are afraid to send their kids to school because of the end of TPS. So those are just some of the stories. As you mentioned, this ended officially yesterday afternoon when Judge Anna Reyes signed the order. Haitians here under TPS that have no other pending claims are considered undocumented and can be subject to immigration enforcement and removal. But here's an important note. Haitians should know a pending asylum application does not automatically prevent detention or removal proceedings. Former TPS holders are also no longer allowed to work. Some are also not allowed to drive. Attorneys advise Haitians if they didn't have a plan before, they need one now. In fact, the Haitian consulate is also suggesting Haitians in the United States now get a Haitian passport as American documents for them are expired. One woman I spoke to here at MIA was seeing off her cousin that had a tourist visa, but she said so many of her friends and family have lost TPS.
We did have family that migrated here 2 years ago because they were living in Port-au-Prince, and where they were living was not safe at all. They were hopping from one neighborhood to the next as the gang was taking over. So yes, I do have a lot of people that are not just family, friends as well, neighbors, people from my church that are affected.
And that's the woman I was telling you about earlier who works in the school system, who says that they are expected to see very low enrollment numbers because of the end of TPS. Now, coming up in the next half hour, we are going to dive into the economic impact that this could have, especially here in South Florida. For now, I'm live inside Miami International Airport, Morgan Rynor, CBS News, Miami.